Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Let's Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm pleased and I'm glad to share with you guys how I make my first $500 on Fiverr without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video and listen to tips and tricks I'm going to share with you guys as far as making money on Fiverr is concerned. So without wasting much of our time, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how I make my first $500 on Fiverr as a graphic design freelancer. But before I get the tutorial started, guys, if you are very new to this channel, remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about Fiverr topic, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not least, if you have any question for me or you have some insight you still want to share with us as far as Fiverr making money is concerned, kindly put the question or whatever comment in the comment section down below. I will be glad to reply to whatsoever question you might have for me. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you guys some proof and see how I maneuver and how I was able to make my first $500 that promoted me from 0 level to level 1 seller on Fiverr. So let's get started. Right here, this is my profile. So I'm going to take you guys to my dashboard. So I'll click on my profile image right here. Then I'll head over to my dashboard right here. All right, so this is my dashboard right here. So if I come to my business at the point here, so if I click on here and I move to my earnings, so you guys can see. So you guys can see it right here that my net revenue here is about 523 USD, and I have made a successful withdrawal of this amount. Okay, so you can see my available balance right here as far as this is concerned. So currently now there is no revenue as far as the account is concerned. Now, how do I go about all this, and how do I achieve this particular fund revenue on Fiverr? So I'm going to show you now. All right, first thing first, before you can make money on Fiverr, you need to understand some things. Before you can make money on Fiverr, you need to be a skilled employee, whether you are a graphics designer, video editor, or you are a virtual assistant, etc. You can easily visit fiverr.com and see if your skill is applicable on Fiverr. But I want to believe one thing, that no matter what skill you have, there is always a service you can render on Fiverr. That is my belief. But the problem here is that Fiverr is a kind of saturated platform for freelancer all over the world. This is just simply means that there are a large number of sellers compared to the number of buyers. But nevertheless, if you follow the tips I'm sharing in this video, you're still going to make your own some USD without any stress using your skills. Okay, so right here on Fiverr, so if I come back to my business right here, so what I offer on Fiverr here is, I'll go to my gigs. What I offer on Fiverr is just my graphic design skills. As you guys know me, I'm a graphic designer and a freelancer. So this is one of the way I make my money online. Okay, so right now I have active 7 gigs. So what gigs simply means is that the kind of service you can render for clients all over the world. So they place order and then you deliver on this platform, you get your pay in USD. So one thing about Fiverr is that if you make 5 USD, they have a 1 USD as a service commission. So that is for Fiverr. So if you want to learn more about Fiverr, you can check the playlist on my channel. You're going to see Fiverr playlist right here. Then you can watch more video about Fiverr. Okay. So right here, so to show you some of the tips I use on Fiverr to succeed or to make my first $500 on Fiverr. So I will use one of my gig right here. So this one right here, I'm going to right click and I will open in a new tab. So I will expose to you guys the secret. So this is the first secret I want to show you guys on how I make the $500 on Fiverr without any stress, using my skill working from home. Okay, so right here, this is the gig information. Okay, so if I scroll down right here, you can see the secret of the gig right here. The number one secret is the relevant tags. So for you to rank on Fiverr, for you to make more sales on Fiverr, you need to have a relevance. You need to have relevant keywords. That is what people actually looking for. So for instance, this is a business card gig. You can see all the keywords right here as card design, business card design. Oh, sorry, I made some mistake right here. So I delete some stuff. So loss free, business card. Okay, so you need to have a relevant tag that relates to your gig. Then another thing you need to do is that you need to have a type. Okay, this is the type under the category right here. The type is business card, so you need to know that. You need to make sure you work on that. Okay, then another secret I want to show you guys that make you rank on Fiverr and that make you make your sales faster on Fiverr is the category. So you need to categorize your gig so that it make it easy for Fiverr to recommend your gig to prospective buyer on Fiverr. Okay, so this is the first thing I would like to show you guys as far as the secret I make me my first $500 on Fiverr. So another one thing here is let me take you to gallery. Gallery here is a place where you showcase your skill, whether picture in terms of picture or in terms of video. So there are some gigs that need to be presented in videos, whereas there are some gigs that need to be presented in video. So you can see the one right here. These are the images I had to this gig. Okay, so this simply means that each time professional customer click on the link on the gigs, so this is going to pump up and they're going to see what I can offer. And one thing you need to consider is that if you are trying to offer a gigs, make sure you use the picture that is related to gig or the video that related or communicates about your gig. So another thing I will have to emphasize right here is description and FAQ. What description and FAQ simply means is that under this is where you need to explain in detail what are the things you are going to deliver if the customer or prospective buyer eventually decide to buy from you. So right here you can see my description right here. You can see my description. And one important thing you need to take into consideration right here when you are writing your description gig, make sure you always include your tags in your description. This is the first one. And this is the second one. You guys can see it right here. Then this is the third one. You guys can see. And this is the fourth one. And this is the fifth one. So Fiverr allow you guys to add just 5 maximum of relevant keywords to your gigs. To your gig description on Fiverr. Then the very last one here, most especially if you are a skill employee, maybe you are graphics designer, video editor, web developer, and etc. You need to attach your portfolio landing page. Right here you can see, but you have to convert it into bit links so that people will not know exactly. Fiverr will not notice whether you are using a website or you are using stuff like that. So when you convert it, so clients will copy the link and paste it in their browser. They will see your previous project that you have done, so that will give them a kind of confidence to hire you. So one more thing is that you need to describe in detail what are you going to give to the clients if eventually they order your gig. So these are the formal information. So far so good. If you're able to do all these things I'm trying to explain, you are good to go. For the requirements, under the requirement section, this is where you need to ask the prospective buyer what you need before you get the job done. This is also essential. Okay, so this tells the prospective customer that you actually know what you are doing and you are ready to deliver what they are intended to buy from you. Finally, when you are successfully create your gigs, there is more to that. It is not the end. All you have to do next is that you still need to head over to Facebook Facebook page, Facebook on social media, whereby you need to promote your gig link, because more promotion, more link, more click on your links, more favorite on your gigs is the one that make your gig rank in the front page on Fiverr, that make you get sales fast and make your money in USD without any stress. So I'm going to show you guys how are you going to do that on Facebook. So let's head over to my Facebook account. Alright guys, so this is my Facebook account. So right here, what you can do here on Facebook as far as Fiverr gig is concerned. So when you open your Facebook page, Facebook account, make sure you make use of a search bar. You see this search icon here, and then type in Fiverr gig exchange favorite exchange. So right here, type in Fiverr gigs. Sorry. So it's going to load. Okay, you can see right here, Fiverr gigs promotion, Fiverr gig ranking paid tricks, Fiverr gigs promotion group, Fiverr gig exchange and promotion, Fiverr gig rank, Fiverr gig advertising, Fiverr gig marketing. You can join as many as possible groups on Facebook. What you need to do is to click on the one you would like to join. Make sure it is a Fiverr related topic that you click, and then when you open up, then you can join. Click as many as possible. You can see this is about 141,000 members right here. This is about 103 members. This is about 158 members. You can imagine. So join the group, or you just click on join the group. When you join the group, you'll be able to, they will approve your requirements. So join the group. So they will approve your requirement to join the group within some minutes. Then once they approve your requirement to join the group, and you will agree to the group rules and click on submit, you will be asked to favorite gig exchange. That is, you and the other freelancer on the group, you can exchange gig favorites on Facebook. By doing that, you are boosting more organic visitors to your gigs and to your profile on Fiverr. And by doing that, each time people are looking for the kind of service you want to render on Fiverr, Fiverr recommend your gig on the front page. From there, you make more sales and get more revenue as far as Fiverr business is concerned. So guys, this is what I have for you guys as far as the secret that land me my first $500 on Fiverr, step by step, without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video, understand the step I'm taking, and apply it to your gig. I'm very 100% sure that it's going to work for you, and you come back on this channel, you give out a very good feedback that this is work for you, and let other people understand that this is really work. And also, don't forget to share this video. Click on the like button, and if you have any question for me as far as the tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. Like I said earlier guys, you can easily check on my previous post as far as Fiverr business is concerned. I have a playlist on that. So all you have to do when you visit my channel, make sure you check on the this is Fiverr topic right here. So I have about 19 topic related to Fiverr. Just click on the playlist, and you'll be able to watch some of my previous posts, and then you learn one or two things as far as Fiverr business is concerned. So lastly, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and watch out for more interesting secrets about how to make more money on Fiverr. Thank you guys for watching this video from beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.